Now, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manipulate time and speed up a longer process in camera. Shooting a time-lapse is super easy with this camera. Just go to the settings menu and choose video, switch the video mode to time-lapse and make any changes you want in the sub-menus. And the camera will automatically create a time-lapse video clip based on the settings. Another option is to do a time shift clip, which is kind of like a hyperlapse. Simply record a normal 5.7K video sequence, and then in the mobile app you add any edits you wish. Then go to edit, then speed, and highlight the segment you wish to speed up. Pick 16 times the speed and make sure to check the box that says motion blur. And all of the effects will be applied when you export the clip. I will talk more about editing the clips in a later video. There's one other video mode that I wish to mention that is not a time-lapse but worth bringing up. This camera is capable of shooting HDR, high dynamic range video, but for this to work it needs to be stationary. The best way to do this, I think, is to use the bullet time handle, which also works as a tripod and can connect vertically with the invisible stick. Definitely a pretty cool feature that is also unique for a camera like this. Next, we're looking at how to take photos with this camera.